Hey, guys! Today, let's learn how to remove the Gmail account from iPhone. So if you guys are wondering how to remove the Gmail account that is currently logged in on your iPhone device, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and teach you guys how to do this, step by step. So the first step that we need to go ahead and do in order for us to access our Gmail account is to try to go and just tap on the Gmail application right here. Now, you will have the option to access as well these accounts. So just tap on your profile, and I want you to go ahead and tap on your Manage Accounts on this device section. And as you would notice, we have this option to remove this account from this device. All we need to do from here is just choose specific account that we want to go in and remove from this iPhone and tap on this button. And that's ultimately gonna remove the Gmail account from this iPhone device. That is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and take care.